Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilongi khubor bam takasni. Kaseng Kongres kalakan tho juri ka sarkar MDA kabayalam de ukonrat ki sangma da kabakenno bagalale menti halor ke jing e kabakrau e jang jilla kada ka jing ki state ka jing di dan bat jing di dawai pen bu aj bade drok pen sngo u MP ka lok sabha Natura Parliament Sin. Saleng isangma MP Natura ulama hamjur badan kamban penne ye kejela nagani kejingma da kabaong ka sarkar kariban shimkhya mentahi ban sumari ki samla. Henry ka basngosi ka sarkar MDA kamshim ye kane kum kejing e Henry ka kham tharai ye kidawai pen buat kum kalat kamai ban yo jingmentoy. Ong usaleng. Ulong ru bawat la ka Kongres kamdan MLA ha ka yung darbar thawan Henry ka jingtrang jongka ban syakri bat ban yai yeng ringkat bat upat ba kanang yai beteng. Usaling isang maula ong por ka Kongres udrok umpat jur ka sarkar Kongres kate lakam kat ba ka MDA ka shim kum kalat kamai. Penpau ba kinong yalam Kongres kila kular ba kaseng kat penpau pat ba ikijing bam la trekam jong ka sarkar MDA ha ka biade ba kajing pensa ni e kajing di bat jing di dawai penbuat bat ru haki kambam sam. Kipat ba kidon kami ka sarkar ka pasngam om ka sarkar ka bapenentoy na kajing e jong upat ba kejela Meghalaya kamla asyu bandu ya ka weipan kapateng samla namar kidawai penbuat ong kinong yalam ka Kongres ha kajing yalam.
Our state was once, even the Northeast was corrected as a militant zone area. Somehow the Congress has managed to, clear the path, wipe certain anti-social activities and brought it to peace. But it was so disturbing that just recently our DGP has announced that our youths has gone back for the training and some of them has already come back. That means partially their family, our family, Meghalayan family is destroyed and destroying them. So what were they doing in these years? When Congress has brought Meghalaya to peace, again they're pushing our youths back to the jungle and giving them this kind of training, which is very, very dangerous for our state, for our youths. Giving them training, making them drugs addict, making them, HIV positive. Where is our society going? I don't know. I would request through the media, through the people of the state, at least we should learn what has happened and what is happening, so that we make a better choice in the days to come.
Fast in the drugs. So he might have been speaking about the drugs business in India. Yes, it's growing very fast.
It's growing very fast.
HIV rate?
Yeah.
And HIV
It's
is
30%. HIV rate is 30% of most things. Because from 15 to 29, if you pay 3 lakhs plus is a 30%. That means in no time our people can be obliterated with the HIV disease.
And
that means HIV and the drug abuse.
and the other part of the business growth is by saying the business growth, the CM is trying to cover the corruption of leasing out the land of Meghalaya to larger corporates where there are beneficiaries, which is not known, and related to that one. Tell us, just ask the Chief Minister back, show us a few industries which you say that has brought growth to Meghalaya. We are happy to listen to that one. If people of Meghalaya are benefited with employment, with this growth.
Whereas our people are becoming a servant to these corporates.
That's all.
One thing, our people are becoming servant to these corporates, and moreover, our land, which is given for them on lease, are being, mortgage for their bank loan. Are they giving profit? No. By chance, if they leave, who will be the loser? Our state. Okay. Once the bank tax is over, it will be the non-tribal entity property. Where does the 6 schedule area comes then?
And
Who are we going to protect? Okay, if these kinds of mindset, our people were protected by these constitutions, though that they have given the 6-0, so that the main people should not come and then buy our land and then take over our people, so that we will be obliterated. We become the museum. What do you call it?
Museum pieces.
Museum pieces. So that's why giving to the players from outside, it's sailing us out directly or indirectly.
I thank
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello